Hi, I am back with a new video finally, and today I'll be showing you what is in my travel bag. Okay, so this is very different from my usual what is in my bag, because this is what is in my travel bag, and this is what I bring with me when I'm traveling, when I go up to the plane. Very different from my usual daily go out kind of bag. So I realized this is my first time actually showing you what is in my travel bag, because I think I did a travel makeup bag one, but I haven't shown you what is in my backpack actually. Okay, so the thing is, I don't really like to bring a really big backpack. I don't own any big backpacks also, so all my backpacks are really small. And this backpack right here is the one that I bring most of the time for traveling. Yup, it's my favorite one. It's a leather backpack. So these are the things that I bring on the plane, but when I reach the country, right, I will usually change up to a smaller bag, or I'll just take out some random stuff that I don't need. It is from Marc Jacobs, and I have another favorite bag, and it's from Fila. This is the more, you know, like canvas kind, and this is the leathery kind. So I bring this mostly for when I'm going on a very, you know, like active trip, or when I'm like hiking, all that kind of stuff. I don't even hike. And when I bring this to places like, you know, Europe, London, Paris, you know, those kind of places that I want to feel like stylish still. Okay, so first off we have my wallet, and this wallet is my travel wallet. I don't bring this around in Singapore, and this is from Givenchy. Next up, very important, I have my shades, and it's very ugly. My case is really dirty now, but this is my favorite shades from Gentle Monster. My shades, I like it. Next, I have my passport, and this passport cover is from Choo Choo. She gave it to me really long ago during my birthday, and yes, my passport inside. So recently I went on a trip to Bangkok, and that is the first time in my life, right, that I actually forgot to bring my passport to the airport, and I only remember it like when I'm really close to the airport. And thankfully I was really early that day, so I got my mom to send my passport all the way to the airport for me. And it's crazy because I actually stay all the way at the other end of the country. Oh no! Always make sure that you're early for your flights, just in case something like that happened. Alright, next up I have another important thing in my bag. It is the portable charger and my cable. Yeah, I mean, you don't need much explanation for this, but this is from Sony. I got it during the vlogging. Oh my god, I'm very sneezing. I got it during the vlogging event. Next, I have tissue, my favorite Nipia tissue. I have my hair roller, my fringe, you know, I need to curl it on the plane, make sure that it's neat and stuff. Okay, next I have a scrunchie, and this is my new favorite scrunchie. I got it when I was in Bangkok. It's like this fox fur scrunchie, and what I like to do recently, right, is I like to just, you know, twist my hair like that and just tie it up in a bun. It makes me look damn auntie, but I really like it. This is how I like to put up my hair. I feel like this retains my hair curls, so whenever I like let it go, my hair is curly and nice, and I like it. Okay, so next we have in the bag, it's the Cuddly Beauty Elixir, and this is my ultimate favorite face mist. I cannot live without this. It smells so good. Next up, I have my Bose headphones, and honestly, right, this is such a burden because it's so big to bring up on the plane, and my bag is like not that big, you know. It's like it takes up like 80% of the space in my bag. This is not an ad, and I really got it myself. It's really expensive. It's about 500 bucks, but I got it. I got it because Noah has the same one, and he keeps bugging me because he says like all of our friends have one and I need to own one because the noise cancellation thing is amazing, and it really is. I have to say, the noise cancellation thing is amazing. When I use it on the plane, right, I cannot hear anything around me at all. I'm a very light sleeper on the plane. I cannot really sleep on a plane actually. So there are a lot of things that disturbs me on a plane. For example, noise is one thing. Smell is one thing. I need to prepare a lot of these things just in case, you know, I go crazy on the plane. Okay, next I have another pouch in my bag. Okay, so I really need to bring this pouch everywhere. I don't really use everything on the plane, but I feel like I really need this when I'm traveling. And it's really packed. It's not a makeup bag. I don't really bring a lot of makeup with me, but it's just how it is. This is a bag from Victoria's Secret, and I really like this. It's so compact and nice to fit everything that I need. So first off, I have inside the pouch is wet wipes, very important. Pills. So I have my Panadol, my painkillers, you know. No, I have everything here. This is a first aid kit. And also I have something very important to me, the po chai pills. So just in case you don't know, I have a very sensitive stomach, and 90% of the time when I'm traveling, I just end up having diarrhea or I just have a really bad stomach ache, so I will always bring this po chai pills with me. Okay, next I have my travel size hair serum, and this is from Lucido L. I really like this, so I bring this sample size one with me. And also eye drops, very important. I don't even wear lenses on the plane. Small mirror, a hair tie, although I have a scrunchie but you need a hair tie too. Perfume, very important in case you smell bad after like a 10-hour flight, you don't know, right? So you're gonna need a perfume, and this one I got it from Daiso. It's a portable spray. I just fill up with my perfume that I use, and this one I think is a Juicy Couture one. And next I have my hand sanitizer. Because I'm such a clean freak, I need to have my hand sanitizer with me everywhere I go. I don't even know what this is doing here, but this is also a hair serum. It's a small capsule of hair serum. Anyway, just to let you know, I don't unpack this pouch, so it's just like that. Whenever I need to travel, I just take this pouch with me. Okay, next I have this small face powder, just in case I need to blot my face, you know. And this thing, it's super cool. It's actually something like bleach, so when you stain your white shirt, right, pour it and like, you know, just like do this. Oh, it's a stain remover! Whoa!
Hey.
Took me a while. Okay, next I have my tinted lip balms. I need to have my tinted lip balms with me on the plane because most of the time I don't put on makeup when I'm flying, especially for long flights, so I need to look a little bit more awake. This one is from Laneige. It's the balm stain that I love, and this one is the Dior Lip Glow, and this is in the shade 004 Coral. Okay, the last thing in my pouch is this Nina Slumber Essential Oil. Like I said, I'm very sensitive to smell, especially when I'm on the plane because I'm stuck there, I can't go anywhere. And it kind of helps me to fall asleep also. So most of the time when I'm on the plane, I'll wear a face mask because I'm very sensitive to the smell. So I'll just roll this on the mask, and I'll roll it at the back of my ears, and I'll wear it on, and I'll smack on my Bose headphones. So that's my ultimate combo of being on the plane. And then sometimes I put on eye mask also. So if you're on the plane and you walk by someone like that, please don't be scared. It's just me. So next in my bag is face mask. This is from Nipia. I use different face masks. I buy them when I'm overseas, so it helps to block off bad stuff. It's also very soft, so it feels comfortable when I'm on the plane. Okay, so the last thing in my bag right here at the big compartment is my AirPods. And so when I'm out in the country or something, I won't bring this thing out because it's so big, so I'm just gonna use my AirPods. Okay, so that's all for the large compartment. Of course, I have this area where I put pets and stuff inside there. I have this small compartment at the front. I just put things that I can reach out. Ban again. I have a mint, and this mint is my favorite mint now. It's very compact and it's just one small bit, so I just like pop one in my mouth and it keeps my breath fresh. Alright, so that's it for my travel bag. I really bring a lot of junk, especially my pouch, and it's really easy for me to pack this bag because I am constantly traveling, so I don't really pack cleanly all this stuff when I'm back home because I just leave it the way it is. So the next time when I travel, I just like throw them in my bag, and it's just, you know, easy for me to go. So that's it for my travel bag. I hope you enjoyed this video because I actually really like to see what people have in their bag, like I've always said in my what's in my bag videos. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you have any other video requests, anything that you want to see from me, hear from me, watch from me, please let me know at the comment section below. I would love to do it for you. Of course, if it's legal and clean and PG. Okay, so I hope to see you guys really soon. Bye bye!